Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my iPad Pro 12.9-inch unboxing video. This is literally going to be a straightforward unboxing video. I love unboxing on Apple products, so I wanted to make this video to share with y'all. I can watch unboxing videos all day, and I know some of you can too. So let's go ahead and get it out of the bag. So here's the box, white with gray text on it. I went with a white keyboard cover. It was a battle to decide if I should stick with my more normal dark colored aesthetic or try something different out. I had to go for the white on this though. It just looks so boss. What combination of iPad color and case would you go for, or what do you have? Leave a comment below and let me know. So the packaging is very simple. It's just covered with some clear plastic. The case feels really good in my hands. It feels really robust and not flimsy at all. I'm a little late to the party with the Apple keyboard case for the iPad Pro though. I have had my iPad Pro for quite a while now, and I've been using a smart keyboard case cover I've been using a smart cover as I thought that was all I needed. However, after some time, I felt like I wasn't getting the full iPad experience without having a keyboard and a trackpad to go with it. The price tag was also determined too, as the keyboard goes for $449 Canadian dollars plus tax. It is a hefty price tag for this product. However, after getting it out of the box, it feels like a premium product that you're getting, and one that should last for many years to earn its high value price tag. Here's some of the stuff that comes in the packaging. Not much. I was going through thinking I got robbed because it did not come with any Apple stickers. What a rip. Oh well, I guess not this time. The case is very thin, but has some bulk to it. There is some resistance when you try to close it up in a clamshell form factor. The all white just looks awesome. Hopefully we can keep it white and it doesn't get dirty. I have a space gray iPad, so I didn't know how it was going to look in contrast to the white case. But seeing it now, it looks really good. The contrast between the white case and the space gray iPad looks good. And it looks like a premium product. Here's another look at it from the other angle, but sorry, my camera wasn't focusing really well, or it wasn't focusing properly at all. So let's go back to the top down. Closing it down and feeling the weight of both the iPad and case, it now has some bulk. It now has some bulk to it, but it doesn't feel overly heavy. Here I am opening it the wrong way. This is going to take some getting used to, but I'm sure it will become easier with time. Anyway, let's try to put the old smart cover on and get a feel for the difference. So the old case is very light. It feels very flimsy compared to the keyboard case. It does stand in a couple different positions though, which is good. It just doesn't have a keyboard. It attaches to the iPad with magnets just like the keyboard case. The keyboard case also has throughput charger via USB-C, which is nice. Just getting a feel for it a couple different ways again, just comparing it, because you can't lay the keyboard case flat like this one. You just have to take it out of the iPad now if you want to do that. But this is the upright position of the smart case. This is a lower position, which I use this one a lot when writing on my iPad with the Apple Pencil. So here's a shot of the old case, and then we'll go to a shot of the new one. And overall, I'm very satisfied with this new keyboard case so far. Thanks for taking a sneak peek into this unboxing video. I'll do a full review one day after I've had a few weeks solid of using it. Take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content. And we'll see you on the next video. This is Chris Gross for CG Gear.